Yeah, Muraro is here, guys, from down there to check the sizes of the kids. Jaya, the dog. Dami ni. It's 70 now. So, you know, you write the sizes there. Okay, then we buy tomorrow. We separate the boys and girls and then sizes, how many we need. We need to go to the market later after this. So now I will bat Bella. Good morning, my love. Good morning. Say hi, followers. Say hi to your followers. Say good morning, followers. So it's not easy. Collect the names first, then sizes, then how many sizes. Dito sa labas naman, maganda yung sikat ng araw. So, maka-charge na naman kami ng phone. I mean, solar. Para makapag-charge ng phone. It's 9 AM here. Okay. So, we are here now in Bakasi. I'm with the Muraro and Fresca. They are my nephews, so we are waiting car here to go to town. We buy something because tomorrow we go for bukas, guys, mapa-feeding program na naman kami kasi may sponsor na nagbibigay. So andito na kami sa Embakasi. So we wait here. We use motorbike or that car.
That one is going down.
Okay, it's okay now. Bye. Guys, papunta kami sa Magenji and then we ride that and then going to Kenyania. So si baby andun kay Muraro. Ito yung daan dito. Nakalimutan ko i-insert yung mic. Ay, hindi ko nadala, guys. Charge ko pa naman doon. Ito yung daan. Hirap dito pag umuulan kasi dikit na dikit. Tapos slide siya. Guys, mag-picture ng mag-aag. Magenji dito, guys. We called it Magenji. So here, we stop here. It's like 10 minutes.
box is right.
It's not there.
It's better we go direct.
I think so.
Yeah, later.
It's not there.
Yeah.
Bella, are you okay? Or you okay? Okay, we go direct. Wait, direct. We go direct. Okay, we go direct na lang daw, guys. Gusto ko sa yung Robux. So ito yung market, guys. Mamaya punta kami dyan pagkatapos namin doon. Kasi ano kami sa supermarket. Ito yung Buda station dito. Nagpapagas pa kami. Doon yung isa sila muraro nagpapagas. We're here na, guys. Supermarket.
Morning.
Morning too. They will wait here. How much the fare? She sleep na. Bella. How much the fare? 150
150, yeah.
each. 150 each. Don't make the price high because you said that I'm Sungo. I think the is 150, right?
This one 150.
Yeah. So this is 300.
They will wait us.
They will wait us. It's okay.
Yeah.
They will wait us daw, guys. So ito yung kanya niya dito. Dito kami pasok sa Pai Supermarket. Ito yung kukunin namin, guys. Tag 80 na Del Monte juice. What is this? 90? Juice this for 80. Okay, okay. Wait. It's okay to take a video here. Okay. It's 80 now. Ano? 70.
You have not even rated.
Wala. It's 17. It's 70 pieces. Just put near the counter. Okay. Okay. Now, we can decide oil and flour. Yeah. 6.
That is the
3 because it's 6 kg. So this is 2 kg. So we need 3. And then ang cute nito. Sige. I need this one. I don't have it.
我是堆肉是吧？
5 liters. 5 liters of oil here is 1,400 Indian shilling. Yung mga cake nila dito. Siami. 185. 185 slice.
40 bob this one.
This is the cinnamon bread.
Yeah, the one we eat in that
So,
hotel, which is where we
1
went.
kg is 1,300. Okay. Muraro, that one is very heavy. Muraro, this one will not fall down. There is very heavy. To Paul before they go.
Huh?
Before he go.
Muraro karaba, tayo karaga niya.
So we go home now. Ito yung tinatawag nilang town, Kanyanya Town. Pauwi na kami, nakabili na kami, galing kami sa supermarket. Ito yung hospital dito, guys. Okay. We're here now in emergency, guys. We withdraw first. Nasa na ba yun si Priska on baby? Kami dito, guys, para makabili kami na doon sa emergency market ng mga pagkain. Tapos na kami doon sa supermarket, yung mga bagahin namin andoon na sa bahay. Pina-direct na namin. Andun din sila ni Margaret at Jerry yan nag-aabang sa bagahe.
Apa balik juga ya?
Murang harga karay.
Ngoroget.
So, nakawit. Ta?
Very good for membrane.
Yeah.
Is that say maybe I will be poor.
We are done withdrawing money now. So we walk here, guys. It's around, what is the time now?
1:08 p.m.
1:30 p.m. na. Oh, there's more space this side. Guys, gutom kami. So, kain muna kami or mag-i-snack muna kami, no? Para lalaban na naman. Kasi dami pa kaming bilhin ng mga shoes. 74 pairs. So we go down here. Priska now is tired. Good press. Because of hunger. Because we did not eat morning, right? Snack muna kami dito. Where, Bonraro? Okay. Dito daw kami mag-i-snack. So, umingaw pa yung market ngayon, mamayang hapon guys, pag malapit na magabi. City, ha? Okay. Nang-snack mi dere guys, andun si Fresca. Papa is here. Papa, what are you doing here?
Yeah. Sarang.
Huh? Moraro, I need the earphone. Maybe they have headset. Yeah. This one is okay.
Which you don't wear this.
The wire is okay.
The wired.
Mm.
Karibia sasa unapata laini ya Airtel 4G free of charge. Kisha tunakuzawadi 100 MB of data.
About this.
Leo tunafanya sim replacement.
Sanad, there's no.
But this one is okay.
Simu kwa shilingi 1000.
This one for Bluetooth.
Unapata simu.
No, not like that. The one is wired is okay. Where did you put Moraro? Where did you put it?
Yari.
Okay, okay, let's go. So, bumili ako ng guys. Bumili ako ng earphone. What is saying? She's saying what? Moraro.
No, they want to put something. I think we are buying fruits now.
Oh. Okay.
Remember rice?
Mm.
Beans.
To buy rice. Shoes? Okay. We buy first the shoes, guys. So, we search here.
You come.
Okay. I think shoes is not enough.
Now.
Okay. So, look. As I think he is okay. It's nice shoes.
Now for ladies, we are less.
Huh?
We are less for
Then we can, if not enough here, then we go. We search first. We look it first. Then we buy.
first we ask the
There.
this one for girls.
Hmm?
This one first for
Like
girls.
that.
Yeah.
Oh.
For 350 and 450.
Nag-bargain sila ng presyo, guys. How much? Muraro. Muraro, how much?
450 no.
This is 450. How much should be?
400
I think you can bargain. Sleep.
bagorere sanda kichirichi nyabaka cyabariki
Why you buy slipper and we need shoes? How much like this? Huh?
200 and boys
Okay, how much this one?
bei moja I don't
How much?
200
Okay.
All of them is 200.
Mm.
Now I see the
So I think
yeah,
this is for the school, right?
for girls, for boys. But
Okay.
girls, we give, we give
It looks not enough.
yangu isanena toko
That's why I
sanya
want something which is currently enough. Yeah, Moyo. That one. Pesa.
Go.
Pesa.
Magenchi Market, Kenya, Africa. So, andito si Muraro namimili ng mga shoes ng mga bata para sa pamigay namin. Sponsored ni Sir CJ Conde. Thank you, sir. Kami ng mga 70, we buy 70. Namimilian ng chichiking na sila ng mga sizes ng mga shoes. So yan si Muraro in charge. Check shoes. Mga dagkog tiil mga bata diri. Hi my dear Bella. Ang mga madaming nagtitinda dito ng mga new, mga damit, mga dress, at saka mga second hand clothes. Dito na side ay nagtitinda ng mga damit. You're tired na or give me to give. Hi guys. So ni Muraro sinulod na nila yung mga shoes. They are counting now, guys. Muraro, you right here. You right here. You right here.
Nde tomba lichini ma etebiri na ine nali kakando. 18. I need it. 25. 26, 27, 28. 28. Iko chipyanjire mutabe kakyonsi complete. 28 iko 12. 39. Modern. Oh.
You can write here.
Yani kero uko bibeka amago mate bantu tamaiti namba ki.
Namba kiro, ito ko imiransa ko bya karo.
Nambeta yagu.
Tigae muchando toyo tianga kalikire tibuna maite. Se man 28 bir.
Lakini ya magura baro tayi ko beka kandi. Atari ko beka bi mako ko te. Sabu wa ka.
Chipea sabanjire chitai. Iyo ni minus TH5.
Ona erori
Chipea sabanjire chitai. Aya toche chipea chikoro kutira chinarra complete. 32 chenge complete. 29 complete. Oh, nchira isato.
30 31.
25 26.
Ekige ko ba 26 27 ebige ko ba
Kaibiri. 26
sigande birenga
bitatu kipe isatu. 26 27 kipe isatu. Thirty-four. Kadiri
34 kwa irani ya
mente kemo.
date kia kama kwa irani
34 number 34. 29 31 Uliarete
32
32. 32 yaburire bitatu kipe isatu. 36 36 kipe ibere. Mwego chiago.
31
34 epia ye mwibulite 37 into abeke 40 isatu nkiabeko 38 39 isatu 42 mente 41 yebeka bekeke ni calculate first. Ai pesa ziendi mahali ni zako ainyo 280 tigangire chipe irenga 5
chore voters
h chipe ya 5 280
tabi tigoro bibiri nene kabisa
tebi
tabi tinechi tabi chore tabi tinaraira na musongo ere ayengo enge sawa
2 3 4
ninge ko isane
watuka ngorori namba 5 ni kaka
kwa bekire raira na musongo na
ese nomba balitagu 5
nayo korora chinamba
5
na jimbuye chire
5 enough mane korora ndagukarikirie linko biri bikata 30 34 minus 9 Tony.
Yake bicara kinangira ng'umbu kumusibeli. Sasa wiku kura jani mbona sema kwa. Yani ya tatu bitano. Kurana.
Nibifungwa kwa ande.
Iko mimi na mobi yabo.
Ndanda kesa. Oh, let me calculate now the last one. We pay them, then we buy for girls.
Okay. So you are done with boys.
No,
All boys.
the last one.
Okay, mimi ya tatu bitano.
300 kwa 280.
Wasemi aya kedi sababu wasa wenye wako haijaja hawako tata
Give me 1,000. 1,000.
sababu mmepiga wasenta letenda
Yes, piga wrong. Hapana.
what
1,000.
so it's 9,000 now
I add them 400 from here.
wakile sababu jojo angito kangaro kiataka waka
you mix with the money you have a copy there
Ngiranĩrie mia kũrua
Hiyo 300. Nanda bakora lete ora mwezi kitano. Baba ya. Watu kutibetua eti awe.
Let me record down first from that balance you give it to me.
Wasema haki sawa. Hivi kwa nyori mtuweza? Haki sawa.
Ngairenda agenda. Ora. Mama tu tupigwe na wewe. Tupigwe na wewe.
Wasema haki sawa mtoto tena.
You know what?